Baba.
God.
Baba.
What brought you to the God?
Baba.
See that?
Thank you. This country don't tire me.
For what?
Not in this country. Person go to walk. You not go fit see food to chop. Baba, which one I want talk? Which one I want leave? Baba, the reason why I come be say, I don't hear your matter and I don't hear your doings. He say that you be the strongest man. For herbalist now, why I come? Baba, you say this mineral and bread, why also? Baba, now my life service I use by distance. So Baba, I come, make you help me as your gods.
Are you playing?
Whether make I eat this mineral today,
For what?
I go see wetin I go chop tomorrow, or make I leave am till tomorrow.
My son, I'm coming. Let me consult the gods. Here. My son, the gods are silent.
Not be
Baba, why the gods go come dey silent say na where we need the gods?
My son, the gods is hungry.
The gods are hungry. Baba, the only food wey I know say the gods dey chop na be chicken o and goat. And me I no get am. I mean the gods dey chop bread and mineral.
You be mumu, you call other people mumu.
Gods is to eat bread
He shock
and
you.
minerals.
Sorry, yo, sorry, yo. Something way bad for this you. You be mumu, you call other people mumu. They never show you say you be mumu.
I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
For what? Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary? Is it for B?
Oh, you go say na the gods say that? Why you come dey chop the food?
My pikin, na me be the mouthpiece of the gods.
Sorry, yo,
Did you see the fire I give you?
Look at my face. Like
Get said. Eat am all.
It is
When
smart,
you
Igbo.
finish, stand, go house, go sleep.
If they take India,
Forget about tomorrow. God go provide. Come and take us for my present.
he get a CB. He get a CB. CB as he get. 10,000. 10,000 they behave like 100 naira. And nobody they talk anything about that. Una just quiet. Is that right?